Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to do 3D referencing in Excel on a Mac. This is a useful formula if you have multiple tabs in an Excel workbook and you want to combine all the numbers into like a total sheet. Makes it a lot easier to do that rather than having to go through and sum each worksheet individually. So basically all we're going to want to do here is we're going to come into wherever we want to find the total or the formula, and we're just going to do equals sum, and we'll hit tab here. And we're going to click on the first cell that we want to reference, which is this one in our October sales data, and it's going to be C5. And so then what we're going to want to do is we're going to click November as well. So in order to capture whatever range of Excel worksheets, that's essentially all we're going to do. So because we want to do all three, we're just going to click all the way to December, and you can see up here that it's giving us October through December, that C5 cell, and we can just hit enter there. And you can see it's giving us the total of all three sheets. So then all we have to do is click and drag down. And now this total worksheet is finding the total for those cells from the other worksheets, which is helpful and can be able to find the data that we need across the workbook. Hopefully this was useful. Please let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and remember to like and subscribe to the Excel Guy. Thanks and have a great day.